is it?
It's Dave, man. Come on, man. I got the stuff, man. Come on, man. Cops might come off. The cops might show up. Come on, man. Open up the door.
Dave's not here.
I am Jebediah, and I reject everything electronic.
Well, hello, Dave. How you doing today? Well, we're just about ready to get started. I got the grill, which of course it takes white gas, similar to kerosene. Don't put any of that unleaded in there unless you got a dual fuel, which this is not.
The transmission is moved all the way over here, right next to the front axle and the engine and the cab. As far as I'm concerned, Patricia has been just such a super blessing, you know, not just for the parts, but you know, for all the folks that have tuned into the channel, that have learned right along beside me, with the guys that have come out and helped me. That is the blessing that goes well beyond spare parts. Hey guys, thanks for all your support over the last 10 months tearing this LMTV apart. I hope that you enjoyed the show. I just can't tell you enough how much I am thankful for the people that have helped me on this project. The support that I've got on YouTube and the channel, the positive comments, the encouraging comments, it's just been a godsend for me. And I also got to look back at the year of all of the new characters that I've introduced. I hope you got a kick out of that. Anyway, guys, I'm going to be signing out. I'm Dave Anderson. This is Helicool's Helipad. You guys be safe, and God bless. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you really liked the video, click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, love for you to subscribe. Just click on my face. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So I really appreciate your help. Tell your friends about us. I would really appreciate it. Leave a comment. That's always acceptable too. Click another video now.